Good morning. Today is Thursday, December the 7th, 2017. It's Pearl Harbor Day. It's about 46 degrees and 7:15 in the morning. Larry's about ready to leave for Hardee's. And it's been raining most of the night, but it's quit. I don't know if we're going to walk this morning or not. I got my umbrella out just in case. There's Larry to Hardee's. This will be his last trip to Hardee's for a while. He's got to go to the hospital in the morning and get the defibrillator put in. Larry did a little decorating. He added Santa Claus to Steffi's alligator head. So I guess Santa's going for an alligator ride. And that's how we bring in our firewood now with our new platform. We got quite a bit today. There's our stack. And we got the kettle full and there's kindling in there. There's our platform with the steps. I had that stained glass type ornament on the top window, but it was up here. But I moved it down so it'll go up and down with the window. You don't have to take it off again. I tried making this potpourri today in the crock pot. It's got oranges and clove and nutmeg and cinnamon in it. But it's kind of a fail because if you put your head right down over it, you could smell it, but any place else you don't really notice it. Lunch is ready and we're having BLTs and homemade sweet potato fries. So, lunch. I had the crust left from the ham salad sandwiches I made, and I usually make dressing out of them. Larry said he wanted bread pudding, so I made bread pudding. First time I've ever made it, so I hope it turns out good. We sampled the bread pudding, decided it was good. I got the dishes all cleaned up. Kitchen clean. I had this lemon meringue candle burning. I was trying to burn it all up, and it broke. It burned all the way down. It was still burning. I heard this noise. It broke the whole side out of it. There's a piece of it. So Larry said if we hadn't been here and it had been burning, it could have caught something on fire. Good idea to always watch your candles, especially when they get down real low and they're about to go out. Got really hot. I'm here in the greenhouse. Larry's been getting ready for cold weather. He transplanted all those spider plants. And little aloes here. Just tiny ones. And he's got bigger ones up here he separated. He's got the wood stove out here full of wood and pine cones. And the stovepipe all hooked up. I forgot to tell you, the doctor's office called this morning and they postponed Larry's surgery, so it won't be tomorrow. It'll be on the 18th of December. I guess the doctor had an emergency come up and they had to switch the appointments around. So, no surgery tomorrow. It's 5:20 and there's no sunset because the sun hasn't been out, I don't think, today. It's raining. Good night. God bless.